Raising an intelligent child is a rewarding journey filled with unique challenges and opportunities. At first glance, it may seem that you'll need to invest a significant amount of time and effort to promote intellectual growth and curiosity in your child. While this is true, the process will ultimately lead to a closer relationship and a better understanding of your child. Moreover, you'll be able to nurture your child's gifts and intelligence, helping them to expand their horizons and reach their full potential. Promoting learning at home. One of the most effective ways to foster intelligence in your child is to read to and with them regularly. Reading is a foundational activity that aids in developing essential communication skills, vocabulary, and grammar. Additionally, it introduces children to a vast array of subjects and cultures, thereby broadening their horizons and exposing them to experiences and perspectives they might not encounter otherwise. Establishing a routine of daily reading can have profound benefits, starting from a very young age. Engaging your child with different voices and sounds while reading can make the activity lively and capture their attention. As they grow older, encourage them to read independently and have meaningful discussions about the stories you read together. Regular visits to the library can also become an exciting routine, providing access to a wide variety of books and resources that can further stimulate their intellectual growth. In addition to reading, it's important to regulate your child's television watching. While television isn't inherently bad, excessive screen time can detract from more stimulating activities. Studies suggest that too much television can hinder intellectual development. The U.S. Department of Health recommends no screen time for children under 2 and limited screen time for older children. Ensure that the shows your child watches are age-appropriate and educational. Engaging with your child about what they watch, asking questions, and discussing the content can make their television experience more active and intellectually stimulating. Selecting the right toys is another powerful tool in nurturing your child's intelligence. Educators and developmental theorists emphasize the importance of play in intellectual growth. Thoughtfully chosen toys can promote problem-solving, creativity, and physical interaction. Puzzles and games that challenge thinking skills, building blocks that allow for imaginative play, and toys that encourage physical manipulation over video games are excellent choices. Limiting video game time and ensuring that the games have educational value can also be beneficial. Nurturing your child's interests is key to fostering their intellectual development. Each child has unique proclivities and passions, and by positively reinforcing their interests, you help them develop their innate talents. If your child shows an interest in history, for example, taking them to a historic site can be inspiring. For a budding scientist, a trip to a science museum can ignite their curiosity. Providing books and materials that align with their interests and enrolling them in programs and extracurricular activities that cater to their passions can further support their intellectual growth. Exposing your child to new experiences is equally important. This helps them develop a well-rounded perspective and might spark new interests. Introducing your child to both traditionally masculine and feminine activities, from cooking to engineering, can broaden their horizons. Additionally, exposing them to different cultures, ideas, and worldviews can help them develop an open-minded and unique perspective. Communicating with your child interaction is crucial in nurturing your child's intelligence. Playing with your child and engaging with them during playtime can help you understand their interests and gently guide them towards enriching activities. It's important to encourage their creativity and avoid taking over their play. There is no right way to play, and allowing your child to express themselves freely can foster their intellectual and creative growth. Talking to your child is another fundamental way to foster their intellectual development. Regular conversations about their interests and curiosities can provide insight into their thought processes and help you gauge their intellectual growth. Engaging in meaningful conversations, asking questions, and actively listening to their responses can encourage them to think deeply and explore new ideas. Explaining the world to your child as they grow is vital. Using everyday moments to teach them about how things work can help them understand the world around them. Tailoring your explanations to their age and understanding is important. For young children, simple and basic explanations are best. As they grow older, you can introduce more complex topics. Sensitive subjects like sex, budgeting, and complex legal matters should be reserved for when they are older, around 10 years and up. Stimulating your child's thirst for knowledge at school. Choosing the right educational environment is crucial for nurturing your child's intelligence. Enrolling your child in the best school for their abilities can provide a stimulating environment with peers and educators committed to nurturing excellence. Schools with well-developed programs in areas like STEM or the arts can offer additional stimulation. Considering schools with good reputations and high academic ratings can also be beneficial. To further challenge your child, signing them up for advanced classes that cater to their abilities is important. Non-conventional pre-kindergarten programs that promote creative growth from an early age, gifted programs available in many elementary and middle schools, and honors and advanced placement classes in high school can provide rigorous academic challenges. International baccalaureate programs offer a comprehensive and challenging curriculum for high school students and can be a great option for intellectually curious children. Maintaining open lines of communication with your child's educators is essential. Regularly communicating with your child's teachers and school administrators can ensure they are receiving the attention and challenges they need. It's important to be courteous and respectful when discussing your child's progress with teachers. Asking about opportunities for your child to engage in higher-level work or extracurricular activities that align with their interests, and discussing additional readings or projects they can pursue outside of school can further support their intellectual growth. Extracurricular activities are another excellent way to stimulate your child's intelligence and broaden their horizons. These activities help develop a well-rounded individual. Participation in athletics promotes discipline and teamwork, while academic clubs like debate club, school newspaper, Model United Nations, and similar clubs can sharpen intellectual skills. Participation in the arts, such as chorus, band, or theater, can nurture creativity. While academic and extracurricular activities are important, it's crucial to balance your child's academic life with their kid life. Ensuring they have enough downtime and playtime is vital for their overall well-being and creativity. Overloading your child with activities can lead to stress and anxiety, so it's important to focus on a few activities that truly interest them rather than trying to do everything. Maintaining a healthy balance and ensuring they have enough time to relax, play, and enjoy their childhood is essential. Conclusion. Raising an intelligent child is a multifaceted endeavor that requires patience, dedication, and creativity. By promoting learning at home, communicating effectively, and providing the right educational environment, you can nurture your child's intellectual growth and curiosity. Remember, the journey of raising an intelligent child is not just about academic achievement. It's about helping them develop a love for learning, creativity, and a balanced, fulfilling life. As you navigate this journey, you will be rewarded with a deeper relationship with your child and the joy of watching them reach their full potential. As you continue to read to your child and regulate their screen time, you will notice their growing curiosity and expanding knowledge. The joy on their face when they grasp a new concept, or the pride they feel when they solve a challenging puzzle, will reaffirm the importance of your efforts. Encouraging their interests and exposing them to new experiences will help them develop a well-rounded perspective and a passion for learning that will last a lifetime. Your interactions with your child, whether through play or meaningful conversations, will strengthen your bond and provide valuable insights into their thought processes. Explaining the world to them in a way they can understand will help them navigate the complexities of life with confidence and curiosity. Choosing the right educational environment and maintaining open communication with educators will ensure your child is challenged and supported in their academic journey. Signing them up for advanced classes and encouraging participation in extracurricular activities will help them develop a broad skill set and a love for learning. Balancing their academic life with downtime and playtime is crucial for their overall well-being. Ensuring they have time to relax and enjoy their childhood will help them develop a healthy and balanced approach to life. Ultimately, raising an intelligent child is about more than just academic success. It's about fostering a love for learning, creativity, and a balanced, fulfilling life. It's about guiding them to become curious, well-rounded individuals who are prepared to navigate the world with confidence and enthusiasm. As you continue on this journey, remember to celebrate the small victories and cherish the moments of discovery and growth. Your efforts will not only help your child reach their full potential, but will also create a strong foundation for a lifelong love of learning and exploration.